Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how you see who has viewed and who is viewing your documents in Google Drive. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Google Drive website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your Google account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you'll be able to see all of the files that you have in your Google Drive. So as you can see right here under suggested, I can see all of my recently opened files. Here I can see all of my folders where I have grouped my files into them, and if I scroll down even a bit more, I can see all of the files that I have that aren't grouped into any folder. But yeah guys, let's go back to the top of the page. If you look at the left side of the screen, you will be able to see multiple options that you can use for viewing your files, such as your drive, your computer, your shared files, and so on. So guys, what we want to do is use these options and find the file that we want to use. But as you can see, I'm going to be using this file right here for today's video. And the first thing we want to do guys, go ahead and find the file and then open it up. So I'm going to go ahead and open the file by double clicking the file. And now this will open up the file in a new tab. And now guys, as you can see here we have multiple options, but if you look at the top right side of the screen, here you will be able to see another person if they are viewing your file. As you can see, this person is currently viewing the file at the same time as me. So what you can do guys, if you want to see who has viewed your files before, you will have an option right here that you will be able to click, and this will show you the history where you will be able to see all of the people that have viewed your files in the past. Here now I can see currently who is viewing my file, and I can see them detailing what activity they have, and I can detail view and so on. But yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.